Friends, let us just know about what items we normally take it up as complete set of annual financial statement under US GAAP. See, elsewhere, for similar scenario, we will take up general purpose financial statement that is under IFRS or under Indian accounting standards, which is referred to as popularly as IND AS. We have those 5 items there. Now let's just see what are those. Okay. Annual financial statement under US GAAP. The first one is statement of financial position, which we call normally as balance sheet as on the reporting date. So you call it out as balance sheet or you call it out as a statement of financial position, but principally we mean only one. Next one is statement of income is the one or is the name that they provide in US GAAP, whereas in the studies that we have learned so far, we have called it as profit and loss account, whereas we call it out as profit or loss statement for the reporting period. There is one as on a reporting date. Here it is for reporting period. For the same period, we are expected to have the third one is statement of cash flow for the same period. So item number 4, this is a very important input. We have statement of changes in equity. In US GAAP, what is to be understood is that statement of changes in equity is not mandatory. So they've said it can be taken in notes or disclosure as the case may be, but as part of financial statement. But most of the corporations and most of the companies prefer to take this as a separate item and they call it out as statement of changes in equity. The last one, the fifth one is disclosure and notes on account of all of the above. What do you mean by all of the above? Certain items which are required to be explained for better understanding may be there in balance sheet, that is statement of financial position, may be there in statement of income, or it could be an item in cash flow. So not only in balance sheet or profit and loss account or cash flow, even in statement of changes in equity, if anything is to be explained for better understanding, you will be finding all that stated in disclosures and notes on account on all of the above. So there are only 5 items that we have for financial statement. When we say as annual financial statement would mean it is not only balance sheet. We are having 5 items. Those 5 items are balance sheet, profit and loss account, statement of cash flow, statement of changes in equity, and notes on disclosure. Thank you.